Hi friends, I am Torit Mahato and you are watching Art and Purulia. This is the 8th video of the series Drawing for Absolute Beginners, and today we'll see rapid sketching. Before we get into the main topic, let's clear some basic doubts. We often get confused by the words sketching and drawing. Well, drawing can simply be defined as making marks on a surface, and sketching is a form of drawing. Both sound so similar in meaning, no wonder why you get confused. Sketching is considered to be fast and loose, while drawing is considered to be slow process and more refined. It can also mean the rough work we do before finalizing a drawing. It also refers to all the practice work we do for building our skills, and generally graphite, charcoal and ink are used for sketching. Now what is this rapid sketching? As the term suggests, it is sketching done rapidly. But why do we need to do rapidly? Because the reference object is either moving or changing appearance rapidly. May not be this rapidly, but definitely it's changing its shape. So in a way we can say it's a method by which we capture the essence of a scene quickly or a figure quickly. Here quickly means in about just 30 seconds or even less, but definitely not more than 2 minutes. For sketching, many people use pens since there is hardly any time for erasing, to correct mistakes or even refining. You just sketch over it. But in the beginning, I'll suggest you to use graphite pencils only, preferably a dark one, maybe 5B or 6B. You can vary the pressure to create dark or light lines, but of course you can start with whatever pencil you have. Prefer not to use a hard one. You can practice using pen over the pencil drawn ones. The moment you have time limit, naturally you will omit the details, and that's the aim. Don't go for details, go for the basic shapes and proportion. I'll suggest using a timer for practice. Sketching is the most important step of any artwork. If you do not have a good sketch, you cannot expect the finished product to be of high quality. The sketches serve as the reference for a finished product, or you can develop the sketch itself to a good drawing. The basic steps of rapid sketching are observation of the subject and checking the basic shapes and proportion. Observation of the shapes, proportion and the distinctive features is extremely important. Knowledge of human anatomy is an added advantage that helps in analyzing and making forms much easier. Draw the action line and basic shapes. Quickly make the action line if very prominent, else draw the basic shapes and mark the junction points. Check for corresponding lengths and angles. Do the outline. Do not lift the pencil from the paper as long as possible and complete the outline. For a live subject, it has to be done really quickly. Do not use any eraser. In case of any mistake, just draw another line. Make confident strokes. Be fast in doing the outline. Where possible, do some shading also simultaneously to save time. Pay attention to the body posture and mood also. A confident and happy figure will be mostly stretched out, and a sad and underconfident figure will be shrunk and composed. Scumble to mark the shadow areas. Vary the pressure of the pencil to change the value and thickness of lines. Make some fine lines to indicate features such as eyes, nose, mouth and so on. Initial figure should be made in just 30 seconds. The rest of the finishing, including giving shape to various parts of the body, should be another minute and a half at the maximum, totaling to around 2 minutes. Do not try to judge in between. One after another, draw several objects or figures in quick succession before taking a break, so that you do not have much time to think and plan. You can do the same sketch also several times and you will observe the improvement yourself. The only way to increase speed is to practice. The knowledge of movement lines to form and human body proportions should come to some help. But that should be just the background knowledge. While doing a rapid sketch, the shape of the form you are observing is important. Observe the subject intently, recognize the shapes and posture, and quickly replicate. Some basic ways I have adapted in quick sketches are: in a landscape, define the basic shapes of the land features quickly, leave the people and details for last. While sketching people, mark the outline quickly, keeping the proportions as correct as possible. Then observe the special features on the person such as hat or pot belly or jawline, any feature that catches our eye first, and sketch it to give the figure a character. Also look for unique features like mustache, beard or hairstyle, an expression on the face, relaxed, happy, angry or whatever, and mark the facial feature accordingly. Do not go for details, just a few marks. I'll finish the video with the suggestion of practicing as much as you can. More you practice, better will be your sketches. In the next video, we'll see drawing the facial features, eyes, nose, ears, lips and hair. Stay safe and keep practicing. See you.